This is the First Kind production.
Yes, sir. We in the building. Yeah, come on. Yeah, Yo, this track talking to me, man.
What's it saying to you, bruh?
It's saying we need to holler at JD.
Holla at me. I got your ticket, yeah, you wanna ride? The mothership, yeah, she parked outside. Yeah, it's first class family, you and I. It's the call, black people unite, and let's all get down. World people unite, and let's all get down. Love people unite, and let's all get down. Let's all get down. Let's all get down.
On all points it's DEFCON, Kevlar and Teflon. War on drugs, communities getting stepped on, minds getting wrecked on. Invisible weapons, money, dope, TV, radio and religion. Now it's a conscious decision to reclaim your position. The Elohim speaketh, I suggest you listen. What it do? Check John 8:32. You wanna get free, baby? That's really up to you. Now ignorance is bliss, and my peoples, we love this. Unlock your first eye, rise above it. As the caveman creepeth with insidious swag to get rid of your. They got a comprehensive plan and it's implemented. Practice and represented, spreading across the world and keeping us stepping in it. We the children of production, one with the most high, not the pale guy promoting the vicious life. Run, you can try, cower, you can't hide. Word to ride in the sky, the Tama who gon' fry. Now hot damn, it's on, bout to head home. Planet X on the route, come on, let's get gone, baby.
Holla at me. I got your ticket, yeah, you wanna ride? The mothership, yeah, she parked outside. Yeah, it's first class family, you and I. It's the call, black people unite, and let's all get down. World people unite, and let's all get down. Love people unite, and let's all get down. Let's all get down. Let's all get down.
This ain't that young boy swag, this that grown man killer. You the guy called Lizard trying to rumble with Godzilla. I got a little something for you, hollow. The ones that look like us, but they really ain't with us. Ain't nothing new, the old house crew. Ass ride with Mr. Charlie, know how them doubles do. And it's a mother effing shame to be so weak and lame. Sacrifice your stick vein just to blow in the game. And man, we at war. You rather be an industry on all fours, giving up the. That's just my observation, ain't judging jack. You gon' answer for your deeds, just you, and that's it. But to lay down with the beast for real, yo, that's sick. Holding the savage man on the world while he into my great transition. His shield and spear to crush the false evidence, appearing real and shed light on the matter like roaches. The last scatter, serve truth on a platter, food for mental battle. The conflict is long, the front line I stay. Positivity and love of the wise, you in the way.
Holla at me. I got your ticket, yeah, you wanna ride? The mothership, yeah, she parked outside. Yeah, it's first class family, you and I. It's the call, black people unite, and let's all get down. World people unite, and let's all get down. Love people unite, and let's all get down. Let's all get down. Let's all get down.
My people, come on, let's get it together. No matter the weather, we gon' handle the pressure. Life is peaks and valleys, triumphs and defeat. The good, the bad, the bitter and the sweet. Yo, focus on the positive, control the negative. Problems and pitfalls, sometimes they make it hard to live. In BET, I mean BST, should be ashamed of the garbage they feed a KID. And it's supposed to be the example of our culture, man, it seems to me. We throwing our babies to the vulture, self-defeat and behavior. Some people, they call it flavor. New millennium, you slave. The world stated display you. But hey, I know they pay you, but look how they play you. Laid back in they lair without the slightest of care. Man, we out here, and we ain't protecting our queens to destroy the family structure that go by any means. Edify our sacred sister. Watch the power grow. Primordial water through her, the God's flow. Recognize, trick, knowledge yourself. You better know right now it's boarding time. Hotel, I gotta go, baby. Holla at me.